This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Kassadin in Wild Rift. Kassadin is a powerful Void Walker who truly shines in the later stages of the game. During the early game, your main goal is to farm minions efficiently and avoid unnecessary skirmishes. Your Null Sphere is excellent for silencing mages and reducing their damage output. Focus on building your core items to unlock your full potential as the game progresses. As you transition into the mid-game, Kassadin starts to feel much stronger, especially after reaching level 5 and unlocking your ultimate, Rift Walk. This ability provides incredible mobility, allowing you to quickly engage or escape. Look for opportunities to roam to other lanes and secure kills. Remember to stack your ultimate for maximum damage, but be mindful of your mana pool. Team up to take down objectives and push your advantage. In the late game, Kassadin becomes an absolute monster, capable of single-handedly carrying team fights. Your goal is to identify and eliminate high-priority enemy targets, such as their mages or marksmen. Use your Rift Walk to quickly close distances and unleash your full combo. Your Force Pulse can slow multiple enemies, setting up easy kills for your team. Wait for crucial enemy abilities to be on cooldown before initiating your assault. For itemization, Rod of Ages is a crucial first item, providing excellent scaling with health, mana, and ability power. Follow this with Archangel's Staff to further boost your mana and damage. For runes, Conqueror is a fantastic option for extended fights, granting adaptive damage. If you prefer a more burst-oriented playstyle, Electrocute can help you secure quick kills. Choose items and runes that complement your playstyle and the enemy team composition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.